Hi guys, Julie here, coming to you from the Foothills renovation with the beautiful jacaranda lined street. So we've still got some finishing things to do in the house, but I just wanted to come to you today because we've had the staging furniture delivered, and that's always a very exciting day. Quite a nice reward for the hard work that's gone in. We've had a few issues with different trades and different supplies, but at the end of the day, we've got a beautiful looking product to present to market. So we've put a new evaporative aircon on the roof, so the house will be nice and cool in summer, and we've got a gas bayonet there in the fireplace. Love Janet's staging from Make Me Pop. She does such a beautiful job, and I just get very excited once she's been in. We left the laundry as is, try and keep our costs down. It's a budget reno in a fairly budget suburb, so just cleaned it all up, and I think it's looking really quite nice and presentable. We've got new flooring, new paint, new carpet, but the rooms are all a good size. We've got a double or queen size bed in this room. This is one of the minor bedrooms, so plenty of space if you had a child and you wanted a single bed and a desk. Beautiful big windows looking out onto the trees, which is really lovely. We've haven't quite finished, as I said, so I've still got to hang a mirror here. Got a new vanity, but the rest of the bathroom is original, but we've just re-grouted it so that it's nice and fresh. The end bedroom we have set up with a single bed and a desk, just to show buyers what can be done, and there's still plenty of room in here for a wardrobe, chest of drawers, whatever you like. Could be set up as an office, and this is the master bedroom here. Another beautiful big room with beautiful big windows and nice big mirror sliding doors. So coming through to the kitchen, it's a small house, it's only 90 square metres. We've got a brand new kitchen in here, dishwasher recess. We still need to get the subway tiles laid on the weekend, so still a few finishing things to do. We've ended up with a stone bench because the laminate was actually going to take too long. It was going to take a month longer than the stone, so I weighed up the cost of an extra month's worth of holding costs and decided to just go with the stone. Beautiful big patio out the back. Just painted it, cleaned up the bricks, and with the staging furniture, it's looking really nice. Such a big area, people can do so much out here. Then we've got some landscaping to do still on the weekend. We've only just started this really, so there's a bit more work to be done here. Beautiful big shed down the back, which will be a selling point. Tradies could use that, or you could even turn that into a granny flat, so I think it'll be appealing to investors as well. Nice big trees, just keeps it really nice and cool here. We had some hot days while I've been here, but it's really been very pleasant under the patio with the breeze and the trees, and then if it gets really hot, come inside to the evaporative cooling, which is really nice. So all in all, I'm very happy with it. As I said, there's been a few issues which have needed to be solved. We're still solving a couple, but at the end of the day, I think it's a beautiful house and hopefully it sells really well. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.